It's the Beamer boys.
All right, the Beamer boys are here. We got Vinny in the house, as you remember, Barber Vinny here. Look at this.
Does it look like me?
I could just like, there you go, that works.
Same, but different. But still same.
All right, so not this one. We're gonna start with installing the driver's side carbon fiber mirror piece. So it should go right here.
Original BMW M Parts.
M Parts. Only the real deal here. But in order to do it, we have to do something that's a little scary, which is popping out the mirror glass here. It can break easily, but we have to go under, we pry it. There should be a clip here, 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 and here. We have to kind of blindly go in there and pop it out. Gently put pressure on the glass with your hand, and that should allow us access to the pins on the outer shell to pop that out.
And then what we do so far, we move the...
Oh yeah, you have to move the glass as high as you can.
Which is not very high at all.
It's not very high at all. But if we can get under there, let's see.
Oh God.
We're gonna push.
2 types of pressure. Is it? Oh God.
I'm trying to feel where it is.
Oh,
we got it.
That
right,
sounds.
That's one. Oh.
There we go. Oh, sketch. You gonna get it from the top now? Or like from the side? That's pretty sick. Oh yeah. Voila. Just open up your window, ladies and gentlemen.
There you go.
We did it without breaking anything.
All right.
And then now you're just supposed to let it hang.
So see these little clips in here? Can you see that?
Oh, refocus. Oh yeah.
So now we gotta pop those little guys to pop this out. Let me get a skinnier one of these. On the back side here. So here's different clip points. So it's actually not vertically, it's actually kind of on a diag where they clip in. One there, kind of X pattern. So yeah. We got it. There, so we pry it a little bit, we pop it, you go hold in the base so it doesn't. Yeah. All right, so that's open, that's out. All right, so now on this guy here, we try to do the same thing. There it goes.
Got it!
Woo! Here we go. All right, let's pop the new one on.
That was like, for everybody on the camera, that was like 45 minutes.
It was not. It was more like 25, but wait, we'll take it. Oh my God.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's the same piece. So now this one will pop in.
Carbon fiber.
There we go. It's that much
lighter. 0.3 weight reduction. Right there.
Let's see. Let's see. This guy versus. Actually, it is noticeable.
It is noticeably lighter.
Wow, I think it's the paint, to be honest.
But yeah, it's probably like 12 coats of paint.
You know what? Is it thicker, do you think? I think it's thicker too.
Yeah, no, look at 100%.
Yeah, so it's thicker than the carbon fiber piece, the OEM one, and the paint also. But I mean, let's be honest here. I'm not really racing it where a carbon fiber mirror cap's gonna matter that much. But yeah,
help on your.
Here we go. But let's pop this guy in. So here, I'll hand off the camera. Here we go. All right, so I think
the hard part's over.
Well, hopefully. So let's see. So we got all these little nubs here that we got to fit in to the ridge line. But outside of that, you got the main 2 clips, pressure clips here. Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, there we go. All right, we're in, like new.
Carbon fiber.
Look at that.
Yeah, there it is.
What do we think? You like it better than the blue, or do you like the blue better?
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber? All right, let's put the mirror in. All right, so this guy, let's see. So I think this just pops in. Let's line those up.
It's like an X pattern.
Yeah. Ooh. I think.
You just gotta probably reset it with the mirror.
Let's see. I think it's good. Let's just double check. Make sure it doesn't just pop off as we're driving. I think it's in there. Let's see.
You just gotta like recenter it.
Yeah, it looks good. It's dirty for all the fingerprints, but we're good. We can clean that. That'll take us 2 seconds on like the install. So
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, we're lighter. We're faster.
We just got the carbon fiber gas cap.
Vin Diesel, watch out. We're calling you out. All right.
All right, now we're experienced BMW technicians. We should be able to do this next part, no problem.
All right, let's do the next one. Ooh. Oh. Oh. We're out.
Heck.
Look at that.
Good shot of that, because it's like right up in there.
There we go. All right, that popped it. So now for the other side here.
There we go.
Hey. All right, there we go. Boom! So much easier. So much easier. All right, now let's pop this guy back in. We did it! This is cool. Is it made out of BMW fabric?
Yeah, shout out 2M Shift Boots. He makes them cool chains. I'm pretending there's a manual pedal. Shift. Look at the stitching. And the nice suede is gonna match this nice suede.
Alright, so to install this piece here, which is nice carbon fiber with the Alcantara suede, it's gonna replace right here. As you can see, it easily fits right over, but we need to take this out. So what we're gonna do is, as a safety precaution, we're gonna take some blue painter's tape.
Yeah, we didn't read that on the internet.
No, we didn't see that on YouTube at all. And so what we're gonna do here is, by doing this, what this is gonna help us do is just protect the interior trim, and it's also just gonna be where we rest to pry. Now we got both of them in. Oh, there we go. So we start prying up. There we go. It's pretty simple. There is this button here though, so I want to make sure we don't. Probably gonna have to disconnect the wire for that. So let's see. Oh, let's see. Where's the module? So this guy. Oh, so we need to screw this out here in order to then put it onto right there. So let's get a screwdriver. We can take care of that. Like a Boy Scout, I'm always prepared. Let's see what we got here. Those are small. Like a glove.
You look at those wires too. I was saying, like, look how they're like fanned out right there.
That is pretty fancy. Probably gonna have to try to mimic that here. So let me just hold this one.
Good call on the Allen key. So it's 2. We'll get the size for you for the Allen in a second.
What is this one? It's a T10.
T10 torque screw. It's not Allen. I lied.
So this should now just, oh, there we go. Pry it upwards. Use your nail and just kind of pry it up. Okay, so those wires. So now, there we go. That pops out right there. So you just bend this back and it comes out. So now, let's just do the same thing back. So this pops in. This should go like so. Like that, so it's clipped in, and that was, so let's see. So now I just kind of put these back into the fence. Look at that, beautiful, right? All right. All right. And I think we just pop it in, right?
Yeah, probably go bottom then top and work your way around.
If all else fails, just bang it.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep, that's it. Look at that.
Suede.
Beautiful.
Suede.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Perfect.
And now,
you know, silver chrome. We don't like chrome around here. We like it being blacked out or carbon fiber. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pry this piece off. Actually pry this top piece off here, because what you'll notice is it's just held on with a 3M tape. So we'll peel that off and stick that new piece on. But in order to get access to take and replace this piece here, we need to pry off the top part where it's the gear selector. And then there'll be a either a T9 or T10 bolt that we unscrew, pops this off, pops this on, screw it in, stick that on, we'll be good. There we go.
oh yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, there you go. Just pop, yep.
Then you pop
then
that back piece out, right?
This comes up forwards.
Oh.
There we go. So, did you get that? There it comes. So, you slide this guy off, and then this pops up forwards. Here's the lens for all the lights. So, we're going to put that there. Go like so. Pop this in. Look at that. Coming together. And then this, and this. Okay. There we go. Let's see. All right. Oh, wow, that's bright. Yep. And now you see how the fit is much better now?
Oh, yeah, dude.
There's no ridge.
Killed it.
Yep. Cool.
That looks awesome.
Blow this off.
You only got one shot.
One shot with this one.
Do not miss your chance to blow.
Okay, Eminem. And there we go. Let's see. Hey, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Looks so much better with the carbon fiber around it and everything.
Suede, fiber, more fiber.
All right. See you guys next. Well, actually, no. We're gonna go.
We're gonna watch.
We're gonna go watch Vinny's 85. Why don't you tell us about your car?
So, ladies and gentlemen, my car I bought from an old girl. Her name was Mikoko, and this is her car. She sold it to me. Worth every penny. Got it out in Monterey. I'm the second owner. It was driven around Germany on their honeymoon, and she's dirty right now.
It really went to Germany?
Yeah, no, it was actually, so it's a German car, but built for the United States. They drove it around Germany and went on their honeymoon, and then they shipped it back. And then they had it for 35 years in California.
Wow.
Cars.
Great condition.
Everything's original except the radio.
And what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna wash it. I just drove it 900 miles in one weekend, all the way to SoCal Vintage.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So it's all done. Vinny, what do you think?
Painstaking, but very rewarding.
It was rigorous work, but somebody had to do it. But it came out great. Let's take a look.
How much do you think you would have charged at the BMW service to put all the parts on?
How much do you guys think they'd charge? My guess is probably like $90 an hour of labor or something like that. So probably like 4 or 5 hours worth of labor. So hey, you know what? We saved ourselves. So carbon fiber mirrors look absolutely great. I'll show you the one on the other side. They look good. I don't know though if I like it better than the matte blue or not. But I mean, hey, it's carbon fiber, so carbon fiber always looks good. And then inside here, this came out really nice, which is the interior kind of shifts around with the Alcantara and the carbon fiber and the carbon fiber shifter. This is how it should have came from the factory, in my opinion, personally. But yeah, came out looking great. And next, I'm gonna have this swapped out here for the carbon fiber trim piece to match all the rest. All right, Vinny, I appreciate the help. See you later. Have a good one. See you next time.
All right.
What will you do in your car next?
I don't know. You just come back next week, and I'm just gonna go back.
Oh yeah, that's what you're just moving in. All right, cool. Sounds good.
See you next week.
All right.